Thank you for expressing interest in having us prepare your tax returns. This video is intended to give you some information about how our practice works and what you can expect. The pandemic changed everything for us. On March 20, 2020, our office was located in downtown Grand Rapids, Michigan, and we had a full schedule of appointments, people coming in to drop off their tax information. The next day, March 21, my employees stayed home and our office was empty for the next 6 months. We made some radical changes that included completely embracing technology while still maintaining face-to-face interaction. This led us to purchasing the new web portal system and using Zoom meetings. Now that it's been a few years, we've evaluated this model and found only one drawback, and that's an easy fix, and that is if you're unable to digitize your documents and get them into the portal yourself, you can always mail them to us or drop them off to our office. Our clients have nothing but good things to say about the new system. They love that they can schedule Zoom meetings at any time, that the appointment hours are expanded during tax season, they accommodate everyone's schedule, there's no fighting traffic, parking, your documents and taxes are always accessible from anywhere and on any device. The other obvious change is that we decided to relocate to sunny, beautiful Lakewood Ranch, Florida. So if you're a new customer and want to get additional information and cost, go to the Contact tab. Here's where we gather basic information to get you set up with a portal account, as well as give you an idea of what you can expect for fees. When you fill this out and then click Next, bottom, copy gets sent to me, and then we will either set you up with a portal account or give you a call, depending on your instructions. First, look for an invitation email, and from there you'll scroll down to the bottom to create your account. If you don't see this email, check your spam. Then going forward, you can access your portal from the client portal link on my website. When you first enter the portal, there's a disclosure statement, and from there you can see the home screen has a summary of what's happening. There's a to-do list, there's files, there's billing, and here's where you schedule an appointment. This is also a good time to mention that if you're filing a joint tax return, your spouse will also get a welcome email at some point, and they will be able to have access to the portal. Everything is the same when you log in. This will allow us to get both of your signatures on filing documents. When we have something for you and your spouse to sign, you each get an individual request email looking for a signature in your email accounts. Then also under the account settings, you can also set up your two-factor authenticator to access your account. The mobile app has much of the same features, plus you can take pictures of your documents and send them straight to the portal. All of our clients get a tax organizer with our engagement letter, which is a workbook that assists us to gather all of your tax information. Every year, I cannot stress how important it is to fill this booklet out completely. It communicates to us everything that is important to prepare your tax return. Over the years, I have found that almost 100% of the IRS letters and notices that our clients receive are a result of not filling this form out. 25 years ago, we printed and mailed these out. Today, the web portal has the ability for you to fill this out online. All you have to do is double-click on the document, work on it, close it, and reopen it because it saves your work as you go. Workbooks for returning clients are partially filled out with data from last year. This saves you from re-entering redundant information such as your name and social security number. Now all you have to do is upload your documents, go to Files, and at the bottom look for Upload. If you're using a tablet or phone, then in the app you can take pictures directly to the portal. Once you've uploaded your files, there's no need to notify us that you've uploaded documents. Files are uploaded and they're first checked for viruses, and then we move them into your files. Once everything is there, just let us know with a quick email, and then we'll get started working on your return. If I have questions while I'm working on your return, you will get a notification email with more details when you log into the portal. Sometimes it's a question, sometimes I need additional information or an additional document or something's missing. These types of notifications have daily reminders. So after you've answered the question, check the box that says Mark as complete. Once your return is completed, you'll get a notification that it needs to be signed. When you log in, it will direct you where to sign and where to initial. I also go through the transmittal letter to make sure that you understand if you owe how much and who to, and if you get money back, I have you verify the bank account that you want your refund deposited to. Again, if you're filing a joint return, your spouse will go through the same procedure. If you have a balance due and want to print the payment voucher at a later date, this will be in your portal as a signed document. You can open it later and print it. When your return is completed, you will get a notification of the invoice. You can open it up, review it. Sometimes we offer discounts, and you can pay with credit card or check right online. As your pay preparer, we need to have your payment and your signature before we can submit your returns to taxing authorities. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And thank you for being a loyal customer.